for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want.
Hey everybody, good morning, happy Sunday. So I'm going to do a day in the life vlog today, I think, because we have something really exciting going on that's kind of just happened spur of the moment, and Darcy and Ollie are going to say it together. I'm going to count to 3 and they're going to tell you what we're doing. Okay, are you ready? 1, wait until 3, 2, 3.
We're getting a dog.
We're getting a puppy, aren't we?
Yes, and
So-
his name's Clifford.
His name is Clifford. We are leaving, so it's, you just saw it's just about 8 AM. We're leaving here at 9:30 to go and get him. So I thought I would vlog today. Yeah, just so we can bring you along and you can meet Clifford. So Darcy and Ollie are going to come with us, aren't you?
Yep.
And I'm going to leave Penny with my mum and dad. Although she's very excited as well. Aren't you? Oh, look, she's in her jumperoo. Do you know what? This jumperoo is 10 years old because it was Darcy's. So we got it down out of the loft. Can you jump? Show everybody how you jump. Go, 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 go. Yay! So, so obviously I did buy this one for her, which she does still go in it, but I put her in that this morning, but she was kind of like leaning, she wanted me to put her in this one. Yeah! So we have hoovered and we've steamed all the floors because we were dog sitting. You saw in my other vlog, I think, we were dog sitting my sister's dog.
Me and Darcy got his crate out for him.
Yeah, we'll go and show you in a minute his crate that they've done. And yeah, so I just wanted to come on and introduce today's vlog. I'm pretty sure it'll just be a day in the life. So yeah, we'll just bring you along on our Sunday. So I hope you enjoy.
So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh.
So this is his crate. It's just a tilted extra small, I think, because this was for my auntie's Frenchie. Yeah, and then he has like a little puppy blanket up there. We're taking the car with him, and yeah, he just has this bed, a few toys in there, and this is extra small, but because he is a Labrador, we're getting a Labrador, if you don't already know. And then yeah, and I want to show you what picture he would look like. He will look like him. Retake. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So this is his crate thing. So it opens like that, and I can't really close it because I don't know, it's just hard. But yeah, this is his crate. He has a bed in there. He has some toys. He has this weird thing, a rabbit, and we have this, I think that's a Snoop Dog. Yeah, and he has this really cute little blankie on top. Yeah, that is an extra small because he's only a puppy. So yeah, but my auntie does have Vizslas, so she has a bunch of extra large. crates? Nah. But I want to show you what he would look like. Because basically, so that will be him. He's only a puppy. So that's what he would look like. Like something like this. Yeah, he will just look really cute, and yeah. And he's a Labrador, so he will grow really big. And if you didn't already know Clifford the Big Red Dog, that's a really cool film. It's based about a red Labrador, and he's really big. So yeah, and we're gonna call him Clifford because we're getting a red Labrador, and look at that cuteness.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Hey guys, so it is a lot later now. The footage you saw was us obviously this morning and travelling over to get the pup. He's actually having a sleep at the moment, so I'll show you him when he's up. But I didn't get my camera out just because settling in a puppy with 3 children is crazy. Like, am I crazy? I've just had a baby. Well, she's 6 months now. We're about to start our loft conversion and we've now got a pup. So yeah, it's been crazy here. But he's settled in really, really well. We are crate training him for the most part, just obviously for his safety and just like our family dynamics, so that when we pop out I don't need to worry about him getting into all sorts of mischief. He's actually taken to the crate really well. It's actually, when he's awake I'll go and show you. I think Darcy may have showed you in the setup, but it's actually in our little storage room right next to radiators, so it's all nice and cozy for him. We can obviously turn the light off and just pull the door together. So he goes in there for his sleeps and then he comes out. He's obviously having lots of attention, lots of plays. And then obviously he's been so good going in the garden for his toilet. He's had one little accident, but that was more so us not watching him. We were talking, so we missed the cues of it. But yeah, so far so good. Was a little bit, he cried on the way home for quite a while, so I was a little bit like, oh, I didn't know how he was going to settle. But as soon as we got home, he was running around, wiggling his bum, tail wagging, sniffing everything, and yeah, he's just been loving the kids. Penny's been so mesmerised by him. Don't we tell her? Oh, she's about to get, oh sorry, her pyjamas on for bed, aren't you? Can you say hello? Say hello everybody. I've got all of my little chubby legs out. So yeah, Penny has been mesmerised by him. I'll insert a photo of all of the kids and the dog here, just so you can see how cute it is. Yeah, you think he's cute, don't you? But yeah, I probably will roll this vlog over to tomorrow. So it'll be a 2-day vlog, just because I wasn't very good with the camera today. Yeah, and I'll show you a little bit of his routine tomorrow. Obviously, there's not a like strict routine just yet, because we're just obviously feeling our feet with him and getting into a bit of a routine ourselves. But for the most part, we're trying to make sure obviously he gets enough sleep, and obviously we're just taking him in the garden as much as possible when he's up, just so he's doing the most of his toilets in the garden to try and get him house trained. But yeah, he's 9 weeks old. He was 9 weeks old yesterday, so obviously the day before we picked him up. And yeah, he's a red lab. I don't know if I said that, and his name is Clifford. So yeah, he's named after Clifford the Big Red Dog. If you've not watched that film, highly recommend it. We love that film, don't we? Do you love that film? What have you got to say? Tell everyone, what have you got to say for yourself? Oh, you're going quiet now, have you? What have you got to say? Yeah. Yeah. What have you got to say, baby? But yeah, I just wanted to pop back on before I just randomly insert some footage of the dog. So when he's awake, he's just having a sleep, I will promise I'll get the camera and I'll show you. He's very, very cute. But yeah, we're all getting on okay, and yeah, we just can't wait to bring you along on this journey with us, with our new family member, Clifford the dog. It's just all crazy in this house, I tell you. There's going to be so much in terms of like updates for vlogs, because we had the structural engineer around last week, so we should get the report early this week coming. And as soon as Tom gets that, he'll be ordering the materials to start the loft. So there'll be scaffolding up and big changes in the house. So yeah, I'm nervous. There's a lot going on. I feel a little bit overwhelmed, but also excited because of what's going to be like at the end result. So yeah. And little Miss Penny has got rolls for days, haven't you? You love the Milkums, don't you? You love the Milkums. Who remembers that tiny baby who wasn't tracking very well on the centaurs and not growing well in my tummy? And voila, here she is at 6 months. Yay! Say yay, mama! You can say hello to everyone. You like this camera, don't you? Penny is going to be a natural on the vlog channel. Look at her. Look at the Penny girl. Look at the Penny girl. Like tagging. That's Sissy. Sissies. We've got the girls here. Daddy's gone to get tea, hasn't he?
Yeah.
So just us girls. Yeah, just us girls.
Right.
Yeah. Right, I'm going to go and get some pyjamas on her.
Just watch me breaking. You'll see. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn, baby.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You can have your breakfast. And that one. Penny, get it. Good girl. Oh, but it's there, darling. Look. There, good girl. What did Daddy do?
Sorry.
They naughty Dada.
Sorry.
They naughty Dada. See,
I'm
I
sorry.
was having my carrot and parsnip kiss. Oh, look, look, look. This is what she does to my camera. Yeah, it's okay. It's on you. It's all right. Do you like looking at yourself? Shall I flip it up? Who's this? Who's that? Who's that, Penny? She started sucking her thumb. Have you noticed that?
No.
She was doing it earlier. She's just having some of these. And then she's going to try the carrot puree in a minute, aren't you? There's Sissy. Actually, I forgot to tell you all, you wouldn't be able to write this, but guess what Darcy has? What have you got, Darcy? Of all the years and all the tests that we've done, it came up positive. How many tests do you reckon we've done over the 2 years?
100.
Like so many. Even when I was at work and I had to test twice a week, never ever ever had a positive test, ever. But Darcy's positive. Yeah, she is. but we're all negative, so. Yes, this is positive, isn't she? Put that one in the bin now, Darcy. Yeah. What's Penny doing? Should we try some of your carrots?
Yeah, so try again.
Sure.
And the guy's like, hold on, it's things.
This is called carrot.
Uh-oh guys, there's another police officer.
So I am planning on baby-led weaning her, but just for her first taste, because she's only been doing it for about a week, I've just bought some of these. They're the Ella's Kitchen My First Taste pouches, and they're not too big. She quite enjoyed the parsnip one. You enjoyed the parsnip one, didn't you? And we're going to do carrot tonight, aren't we? Are we going to try carrot? Want some water? Good girl.
If I had the chance, I'd probably break free. I could have my ways and I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion, illusion. Yeah, I sometimes feel like I can grow up. I'm drinking beer, but I'm
Clifford! What are you doing? Clifford, where's your toys? Clifford, come and show me your toys. Where's your toys? Where's the chicken? Oh, you've got that as well. Wow. Look at that. Well done.
Hello? Oh, no, you... Okay. Oh, you sat down? Yeah. Penny! Hello! You okay? Are you diggy? Yeah, okay.
Hey everybody, so I hope you enjoyed our weekend vlog and meeting our new dog Clifford. I've actually questioned whether I am actually crazy bringing a puppy into the house when we're about to start the loft conversion, and obviously I've got Penny, but you know, a home is not a home without a dog. So yeah, we're all really excited. He's been such a good boy, bless him, and I hope you're excited for future vlogs with Mr. Clifford. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you're not already, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in our next vlog. Bye everyone.
my coffee cup. I wanna do what I want. It's just an illusion, illusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what?